That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you really like this hair. This hair is so cute. It's like this hair is, it's like a really cute braid out. Like I did a braid out and I let it loose and my hair is like cute, you know what I mean? This hair is by the African collection, Snap collection, pin twist crochet hair. That's what this hair is, and I love it. It's cute. And I just want to like, you know, just throw my hair everywhere. Like, I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's quick, you know, really easy, simple styles. But it was mainly just to kind of show you the hair though, to be honest, you know. Now, if you want to see some more hairstyles with this hair, please let me know in the comments down below. I will be glad to do that for you. Again, like I said, this is by the African collection. It's the Snap collection, pin twist crochet hair, okay? Because y'all know I'm the crochet queen, honey. Crochet queen, you know. If y'all want to keep seeing more crochet looks from me, please like and comment, and I will bring you more content, okay? And subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I need some more subscribers, okay? I gotta get my subscriber count up. All right, thank you. Love y'all, and goodbye. I love this hair. It's so cute. Oh my god, I just choked on my spit.